Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm gonna repot my redwood sequoia, which I grow from seed, and it grow beautiful. The pot is too small already, and I have 5 sequoia plants, trees I mean, and 2 of them are here. Let me show you the beauties. As you can see, just amazing. They did grow, but the pot already are smaller, and I have to repot in this video. Just so happy that did grow such beautiful, let me show you more close up. Beautiful did grow, awesome. And repotting I'm gonna do outside, so just let's do it. Just as you can see, the roots coming out of the holes of a pot. And yeah, and write me in the comments, to let this sequoia trees outside in winter time. I'm living in zone 6B. But anyway, just let's do repotting. And I'm gonna use such kind of pots. Well, I think they will grow well in these pots, more big than this one, this size, Let's do repotting now. First of all, we have to remove sequoia tree from the old pot, and we have to make sure the pot is wet, water before we remove the pot, and yeah. And as you can see here, the root system close up. They're looking brilliant and need a bigger pot. And here we go. And now the potting soil which I'm using is universal potting soil, which I mixed with a little bit of compost. And pH is around 5 to 6.5, and it contains perlite as well. It is good soil. Let's plant it. Now let's take the sequoia and plant it there, and as you can see it fits, and put soil more. Next, I'm gonna repot my old sequoia trees which I have, and happy watching! Well done, I planted them already and I have to water, and I'm gonna use tap water, but I left that water 2 days and I'm gonna use it right now. If you have rainwater, it is more good. I hope they will grow well, and I'm gonna show you next update as soon as I can. How they will grow, we'll see just. Well, hope you enjoyed my sequoia trees. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end, that really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to have notification when I posting new videos. As well, you can subscribe to my photography channel, link is in the corner and in the description. And bye bye, see you next time.